Pakistan and Saudi Arabia are now taking this relationship to a level which we never had before. A relationship where it will now be investment between the two countries which will mutually benefit from it. A relationship where we will be investing in minerals, where we will, I was going to say about tourism, but just when we were driving in the car, the passion with which you spoke about tourism in Saudi Arabia made me a bit worried, because I thought Pakistan had this tourism potential. But the things you told me about Saudi Arabia, well, and the amount of tourism, I'd never realized that Saudi Arabia had 80 million tourists and you were going to take it to 100 million tourists. We have CPEC, we have links with China, we have very close now connectivity with probably what is the biggest market in the world, which is China. So we welcome Saudi Arabia to participate with us. It's an exciting future where we have Saudi Arabia participating in what is going to be, in the next 10 years, probably the biggest country with the biggest GDP.